Hello guys, today I'm gonna open football cards with my friend Audie. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Okay, let's show them. Okay. We got this one.
We got this one too.
We got this one too.
This one.
We got this one.
We got this one.
And we got this one.
We got this one.
And we got this one.
We got
And
this one.
this one. And well, this one.
This one.
Guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video. I'm gonna phone back. And that was the all cards today. I'm gonna show all the good ones. This was the Vini one. Oh, I forgot one. Bellingham. Cool. And I got this good one. And this one. Guys. Now it's my friends gonna open some good. He got that one. That was so good. Okay, please like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.